When you're building an action, have you ever wanted to have full control over how it looks and behaves? Like this action right here. It looks fun. Then this video is for you. I'm Mandy Chan, a developer advocate for the Google Assistant. I'm here to introduce you to Interactive Canvas, a new API that allows you to create full-screen experiences full of custom layouts, transitions, and animations for any Google Assistant Smart Display and Android device. And the best part? This is all done using web technologies that you're already familiar with, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WebAssembly. While Rich Response gives you a great template for specific use cases like carousels, tables, and suggestion chips, Interactive Canvas gives you the ability to integrate a custom web app into your conversational action by sending a new type of response. We call it an HTML response. HTML response gives you the ability to create fully customized visuals. Let's take a high-level look at how Interactive Canvas works. When a user speaks to a device with a screen, the user input is matched to Dialogflow intent, which then invokes your fulfillment logic to send an HTML response. This HTML response lets the device know what web page to render. It will also execute the JavaScript included on the web page as a part of the page loading process. All this works like a traditional web app with the addition of Interactive Canvas API that allows you to handle fulfillment events and invoke intents. Keep in mind, when building actions with Interactive Canvas, you want to ensure that your action is voice-forward, meaning that users can have a conversation with the assistant instead of needing to memorize specific commands. Interactive Canvas combines engaging conversational actions with dynamic full-screen experiences using regular HTML. Now, you can develop your ideas with rich visuals on screens for the Google Assistant. To learn more about Interactive Canvas and the design guidelines, check out the links in the description below. And be sure to join our dev community on Reddit. Let us know what you build on Twitter by using #AOGDevs. I'm Mandy Chan. Thanks for watching.